In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Analytics events. Understanding how to navigate and make the most of Google Analytics can significantly enhance your ability to track and interpret the interactions on your website. So, let's dive into it and hone your skills in monitoring events. We'll start by accessing Google Analytics and heading over to the Reports section. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Real Time and navigate to the Overview. This is your gateway to observing user interactions as they happen. The real-time overview provides immediate insights into your site's activity, helping you gauge the effectiveness of any recent changes or campaigns you've implemented. Now, let's turn our attention to a specific feature within this section, the Event Count by Event Name card. This component is particularly useful because it displays a breakdown of events, along with how frequently they're being triggered. You'll see data for the past 30 minutes, which is exceptionally handy for monitoring current activity and quickly identifying trends or issues that may require attention. By examining these numbers, you can gauge the level of engagement your content is generating. When you find an event that piques your interest, simply click on it. Doing so allows you to delve deeper into its parameters and values. This feature enables you to uncover more nuanced details about how and when users are interacting with your site. By inspecting these parameters, you can gain a better understanding of the specific actions users are taking, which in turn provides valuable context for their behavior. For instance, you might see what time an event was most triggered or identify certain patterns across different user demographics. As you explore these insights, it's essential to keep your business goals in mind. The data you gather should ultimately inform your strategy and decision-making process. Determine if the events being tracked align with your objectives, and if not, consider adjusting your strategy to better meet those targets. This might involve creating new events to track or optimizing your site to encourage more of the user actions you want to see. Remember, understanding Google Analytics and its event tracking capability is a powerful skill that can significantly influence your business's success. By regularly reviewing these events and interpreting the data accurately, you're setting yourself up to make more informed decisions that can enhance the user experience and ultimately drive performance outcomes. That wraps up our guide on how to check Google Analytics events. Hopefully, this walkthrough has been helpful, and you feel more equipped to leverage this tool in your analytic endeavors. Keep practicing and exploring all that Google Analytics has to offer, and soon you'll be navigating it like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.